What is the electricity? Electricity is nothing but the flow of charge. Just the flow of charge through a wire, through a conductor, through a bulb, through a fan, through a refrigerator. That's the flow of charge. And common हम लोग flow of charge is the flow of electrons. Flow of electron. Let's say it's the wire. It's the wire, and there are millions of electrons. You know that there are millions of electrons in the wire. Let's say it's a copper wire. This is a copper wire. But there is no current. There is no current in it because they are not flowing from one side to the other side. Therefore, let's say 20 flowing this side, 20 flowing towards right, 10 are moving upward, 10 are moving downward. Their net flow is 0. But when you connect a wire with a source, that's the battery, positive and negative. This is positive, this is negative. This negative terminal repels the electrons because electron is a negatively charged. Repels the electrons, repel the electrons, repel the electrons, and this positive and attracts the electrons. It means now the charge start to flow from one side to the other. It means now there is a current. There is a current in the wire. So what is the current? It is just the rate of flow of charge through the conductors. What is a current? Current or electric current is the same. The rate of flow of charge. Rate of flow of charge through a conductor. Conductor means any passage through a conductor called as electric as current. That's 2 marks definition, often repeated in your exams. Okay? Then what is the equation for electric current? Current equal to charge over charge over time. What is the symbol for current? That's always I, capital I. And what is the symbol for charge? That's the Q. And what is the symbol for time? That's the T. Then I equal to Q over T is first equation for your numericals. That is the first equation for your numericals. And next one, what is the unit? Unit of current. Unit of current is ampere. If you keeping in view the equation, the unit of charge is coulomb. Our time is second. It means that ampere can be taken as coulomb second inverse R per second. This is very simple detail of the current in this page. The rate of flow of charge through the conductor is called as current. And what's the flow of charge? These are the electrons, which moves from negative terminal of the battery towards positive terminal of the battery. Things are moving from lower potential towards higher potential. It is only the one case. It is only the one case in the science, I think so, because the things moves always from higher potential towards lower potential. In order to keep this tradition okay, the scientist decided to say, please, direction of current is from positive to negative, not from negative to positive. The direction of current is from positive to negative always, but what is the actual direction of current? It is from negative to positive. ये दो बातें हमने याद रखनी है इसी तरह। अच्छा जी, next page. Now look, it's a very important. Look, the important question. A current of a current of, let's say, 20 amperes passes through a wire for 4 seconds. Find charge in the wire. It's a very simple part, but second part is not the simple. If charge on one electron is 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 coulomb, how many electrons in the charge? Please. Can you solve it? Do you want to solve it?
हाँ जी formula
what is given? What is
current ढूंढना
current?
current ढूंढना
And time. Current and time. Yani I
Time.
given 20 ampere and time is given 4 seconds. And what is the requirement? Charge here. And you know the equation I equal to Q over T. That is it.
का मतलब है कि फिर वो 80 होगा.
Yes, Q equal to IT and Q equal to G 20 into 4. Charge is 80 coulombs. Okay, very clear. Now, what about the B part? That's the important. Read B part carefully. G. It is an 80 coulomb charge and charge is due to flow of electrons. Okay. 80 coulomb charge contains a certain amount of electrons. How many electrons are there in 80 coulomb charge? How many? Manually, I want to write something for your better understanding. Look, let's say it's a pipe and water is flowing in it. Water is flowing in it. Let's the mass of the water flowing is 80 kg. And you know that water contains molecules. It contains molecules. And how many number of molecules are there in 80 kg water? The same in electricity. How many number of electrons are there in 80 coulomb charge? In 80 coulomb charge. Charge is flowing in this wire. Charge is flowing in this wire. Charge is flowing in this wire. How many the charge is? 80 coulomb. Then in 80 coulomb, how many electrons? In 80 coulomb charge, how many electrons are there? This is the question. But for our help, this is given. What is given? One electron is
1.6.
Okay. It means that 1 coulomb charge contains the number of electron 1. 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 coulomb charge contains electrons. How much? 1. This is given. This is given. This is given. And now, how many electrons there in 1 coulomb charge? How many electrons are given? 1 coulomb charge contains electrons. Electrons, that's 1 over 1.6 into 10 power minus 19. ये नीचे आएगा ना इस तरह से. unit equations. ठीक है? One column charge contains this number of electrons. And what about 80 column? 80 column charge contains electrons 1 over 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 into 80. Just I want to raise this one. Okay. Then it means it is equal to 80 divided by 1.6 into 10 power minus 19. That's the number of electrons in 80 column charge. But it's a very lengthy. Then it's a very lengthy. We don't want to do this one. It's a very lengthy. Then what we should do? We make a equation. We should make a equation. Look the equation. Look the equation. What is this? This is the charge. What is this charge on one electron? It means that if you want to calculate the number of electrons, the number of electrons is equal to charge divided by charge on one electron. This is the equation for number of electrons. N equal to what is Q? 80. Okay. What is charge on one electron? This is 1.6 into 10 power minus 9. There is no need to do like this. Just you memorize the equation. What is number of electrons? That's the charge, our charge on one electron. Any problem? हाँ ये आप बस इसको मेमोराइज करें, ठीक है? ओके जी. Next. It's a very important, very important, very important. What is the difference between voltage, EMF, and potential difference, or voltage, you may say? Okay. I want page. Open page. Need a clear page. चलें इसी पे करते हैं. Okay. Look this and this. Look here. Question is, what is the difference between electromotive force, electromotive force, that's the EMF, named as EMF, and potential difference. Potential difference. That's also called as voltage. This is V. Symbol is V. Now look, beta, you tell me, let's say this is a bulb. This is a sign of bulb. And this is off. Why this is off, please? Why this is off? Please. Adani, why it is off?
White is white?
Why?
Because there is no charge in the circuit.
The charge is there in the circuit.
But there's no cell or battery to generate charge.
No, battery cannot generate the charge. Charge mean electrons. The mean electron always present in the wire. Always present in the wire. Charge is always present in the wire. Always. Till the end of the universe. It is present. Electrons are present in the wire, but they are not moving. It is off because they are not moving. When it moves, then there will be a current. Look at this one now. This is a bulb now. And here is a battery. And now it is giving light. It is on. Now, same question. Then why it is on now?
Because the electrons are moving through the circuit.
Okay, let's say the electrons are moving. Why they are moving? Next question is why they are moving? What is the function of the
Um,
battery here?
mm,
Yes.
um,
What?
uh,
Okay.
because it completes the circuit.
No. What is the function?
Delocalized.
More. Danil, if anyone want to move you, what he should do?
Pick me up.
Yeah, he should provide you the energy. He should provide you the energy.
Energy.
Battery providing energy to the electron to move in the circuit. Battery providing energy to the electrons to move in the circuit. And this energy provided is called as EMF. Look this way. अच्छा, अब देखें जर्नल, अभी आपको पता चलेगा कि व्हाट इज इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. देखिए जरा इलेक्ट्रिसिटी क्या है. इस आर्टिकल में आपको सारे कंसेप्ट में क्लियर करता हूं. देखिए जरा. Let's say this is a battery. Look, let's say manually it is an electron. This man is a electron and it carry energy in his bag and he is happy. He is happy because battery giving him the energy. हमें जो energy देता है हम खुश होते हैं. This electron is very happy and reaching here. Look, reaching here. Look, this one. And it has energy. Let's say the energy is 20 joules. Suppose value. Here the energy is 20 joules and he is very happy. Electron is very happy because he has the electron. He has the energy. But when it passes through the bulb, its energy decreases. Then in where energy goes? Now it has the energy, let's say 5 joules. Where 15 joule goes? Where 15?
Into the bulb.
Into light and heat. Into light
The
and
light.
and he start weeping. रोना शुरू कर दिया इसने. ठीक है जी, कि मेरे साथ क्या हुआ है. ठीक है जी. बैटरी saying to him, please come, please don't worry, please come, and again energy provided energy to the electron. Daneen, this is the electricity. Electron throughout the life takes energy and uses energy in the appliances and then again come, again take, then use, then again take. It means that Daneen, we should thanks to electron. बेचारा सारी जिंदगी एनर्जी लेता है, अप्लायंसेस को देता है. एनर्जी लेता है, अप्लायंसेस को देता है. ये है इलेक्ट्रिसिटी मैनुअली बेटा. इलेक्ट्रॉन का एनर्जी लेना और उसको अदर फॉर्म में चेंज करना. जो एनर्जी बैटरी देती है जी, दिस इज द इलेक्ट्रोमोटिव फोर्स जी. की दिस वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट विद रिस्पेक्ट टू एग्जामिनेशन point of view. The energy supplied, the energy supplied by the battery to unit charge. Unit charge mean electrons. To unit charge, इसलिए to move in the circuit called as EMF. Look, what is EMF? बहुत लोग पूछते हैं, what is EMF? You should say it is energy supplied to the electron to move in the circuit. It is called as electromotive force. Then what is energy now? What is voltage? It is also the energy. The energy which is used up, let's say here, according to this example, 15 joules. 15 joule changes to other forms. This is the potential difference. The energy changes to other forms. The energy changes to other forms
Other
when unit charge. आपने बहुत जबरदस्त चैप्टर शुरू करवा लिया है, ये सबसे खतरनाक चैप्टर है, ठीक है, टेक्निकली, लेकिन जब समझ आ जाए फिर सबसे आसान हो जाएगा। व्हेन यूनिट चार्ज passes through the wire or conductor जो भी, ठीक है, called potential difference, law of it. Energy supplied is always EMF. Energy used or changes is the potential difference. That's all. Up number 2. Look, number 2, second definition. Look, before the battery, there is no work on the charge. There is no work on the charge. But when the battery is connected, there is a work on the charge. There is a work on the charge to move the electrons. Look, EMF is very simple definition now. Work done on the charge. Work done on the charge. Work done on the charge. Work done on the charge is called as EMF. Work done, and on is very important. On is work done on the charge. What we should do on this case, दानीन आप लोगों की इंग्लिश सुना बहुत अच्छी होती है, बताइए जी, यहाँ work done on the charge, battery is doing the work done on the charge. What the charge doing here? What the charge doing here? Yes, please. Work done.
charge is
Work done. कौन सा क्या यूज करूं preposition? Work done. Yes, yes. By the charge. By the charge.
वैसे सर ये टॉपिक सबसे मुश्किल वाला है मेरे लिए।
इसके बाद बहुत आसान टॉपिक हो जाना, ये इलेक्ट्रिसिटी सारी बहुत आसान है, ठीक है जी। ये सिर्फ ये आर्टिकल थोड़ा सा ड्राई है, डोंट वरी। वर्क डन बाय द चार्ज इज कॉल्ड एज पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस। लो जी देखिए जरा प्लीज, ऑन एंड बाय, बस बात खत्म, मेमोराइज करो। वर्क डन ऑन द चार्ज EMF, वर्क डन बाय द चार्ज पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस, नथिंग मोर देन दैट। और एनर्जी सप्लाइड is EMF and energy changes is a potential difference, nothing more than that. अब आप इसकी इक्वेशन बनाएं, EMF, look, EMF equal to work done on the charge and potential difference is work done on the charge. Look, equation is the same, but this is the work done on the charge, this is work done by the charge. Mathematics don't know about on and by. Mathematics don't know about on and by. We should write in the same equation. EMF W over Q. Voltage or potential difference is also W over Q. But in this case, it is work on the charge. Sorry, in this case, it is the work on the charge. This is the work done by the charge. अब उर्दू में बोले सिंपली देखो, चार्ज पर काम हुआ, चार्ज ऑन क्या होता है, चार्ज पर काम हुआ, चार्ज ने काम किया, चार्ज ने काम किया, वर्क डन बाय द चार्ज, डन बाय द चार्ज, चार्ज ने लाइट दी, ठीक है जी। तो यहाँ चार्ज को मूव किया गया, ठीक है जी, वर्क डन ऑन द चार्ज, वर्क डन बाय द चार्ज, ठीक है जी। चार्ज पर काम हुआ, चार्ज ने काम किया, ठीक है जी, यही दो बातें हुई है ना। तो जो वर्क डन ऑन द चार्ज है, दिस इज EMF, एंड वर्क डन बाय द चार्ज, दिस इज वोल्टेज और पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस भी में से। और यूनिट दोनों का जी, यूनिट दैट्स दी वोल्ट, वोल्ट में हम लेते हैं इसका भी यूनिट वोल्ट, बोथ है द सेम वोल्ट। ले जी, इसके बाद इलेक्ट्रिसिटी आसान होगी, अभी देखना आगे बड़ी तेजी के साथ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बहुत आसान, ठीक है जी। लेकिन ये 2-3 चीजें बस याद रखिएगा प्लीज। आपने कुछ लिख लिया या ये मैं पेज आपको सेंड करूं?
हम सेंड करते हैं, फिर थोड़ा सा समझ नहीं आता ये वाला।
अच्छा, मैं आपको सेंड कर दूं, मैं आपको सेंड कर दूं, डोंट वरी। मैं इसकी पिक्चर ले लेता हूँ। आप भी मोबाइल पास रखा करें ना, इसकी पिक्चर ले लिया करें, या मैं सेंड कर दिया करूँगा, डोंट वरी, सेंड भी हो जाएगा। चलें, नो लुक, चलें अब आपको आसान की तरफ लेके चलते हैं। आप कहेंगे रिलैक्सिक तो बड़ी आसान है। लो जी देखिए जरा प्लीज, ये पेज हो गया। सॉरी, लुक दिस, cells in series, cells in series, look, positive to negative, negative to positive, positive to negative। ठीक है जी, इस तरह से हम इसको बनाते हैं, इस तरह से, ठीक। ये देखिए, सेल पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव, सेल पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव, सेल पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव। So let's say its EMF is 5 volt, its EMF is 9 volt, its EMF is 2 volt. What is the total EMF, please? This is the 1 marks. जी,
16।
वेरी सिंपल, ऐड कर लें बेटा, इसमें क्या मुश्किल है। 5 + 9 + 2, हाउ मच?
16।
16 वोल्ट। ये क्वेश्चन, अब डोंट वरी, हम इलेक्ट्रिसिटी ऐसी ही है सारी, वो सिर्फ वो आर्टिकल थोड़ा सा कंफ्यूज है, उसको हम दोबारा करेंगे, ठीक है, दोबारा आपको समझाएंगे, ठीक। अच्छा, आप जरा प्लीज जरा बताइएगा जरा सोच कर, एक डॉज आपसे होने लगा है, उसको देखना आपने। जी, 2 वोल्ट, 5 वोल्ट, 8 वोल्ट, 3 वोल्ट। सॉरी Danin, what is EMF, please?
um
Yes, yes.
um uh 18 volts।
Wrong, wrong answer. Look the circuit carefully. Shabash. Look the circuit carefully. Look, positive, negative, clear. Positive, negative, clear. Negative, positive, wrong. Wrong side. Okay. Positive, negative, correct. Now, EMF is 2 + 5 - 8 + 3. How much now? 2 volt. ये अब आपको याद रहेगा कि सेल्स को देखना होता है कि सेल्स जो है वो उनके कनेक्शन इन ऑर्डर हैं या नहीं। कनेक्शन शुड बी इन ऑर्डर, कनेक्शन शुड बी इन ऑर्डर। एनी प्रॉब्लम? जी प्लीज। तो अब ये तो आपको मुश्किल नहीं लगेगा ना, ये तो इजी है ना आपके लिए, ठीक है। अच्छा देखो जरा, ऊपर करना आपने। नो द सेल्स इन पैरेलल, सेल्स इन पैरेलल, look this. Now the cells in parallel. This is the first cell, this is second cell, this is third cell. All are connected parallel to each other. All are connected parallel to each other. Look this. All are connected parallel to each other. Okay? Now, look, its EMF is 6 volt. It's also 6 volt. It's also 6 volt. All cells should be of the same EMF in case of parallel combination. ठीक है जी, इसमें डिफरेंट नहीं ले सकते। अगर आप डिफरेंट, लेट से यू वांट टू ऑन दिस बल्ब, ठीक है, बट इफ दे आर डिफरेंट, करंट स्टार्ट टू फ्लो इन दिस सर्किट एज वेल। करंट फ्लोज फ्रॉम हायर पोटेंशियल टुवर्ड्स लोअर। तो फिर यहाँ पे अगर आप लेट से 2 है, ये 7 है, तो ये इस तरह से ये सेल वीक होना शुरू हो जाएंगे और बल्ब थोड़ी देर बाद ऑफ हो जाएंगे। तो हमें सेम यूज करना है। क्या करना है जी? सेम यूज करना है। पॉजिटिव, ऑल पॉजिटिव to one terminal and all negative are to the other terminals। ठीक है, तो अब इसकी EMF बताइए। सोच कर आपने मुझे इसका आंसर देना है। व्हाट इज ईएमएफ इन दिस केस, प्लीज।
um uh, इनको ऐड करना।
नहीं बेटा, वो तो सीरीज में करते हैं।
हाँ, तो फिर सिर्फ 6 होगा।
6 होगा, लेकिन आप बता सकते हैं कि ये 6 कौन सा होगा, ये या ये कौन सा होगा?
तीनों में 6 होगा।
हाँ जी।
वो जो बीच वाला है उसका 6 होगा।
फिर बेटा इसका क्या एडवांटेज हुआ, इनका क्या एडवांटेज हुआ? फिर इसको ना लगाते।
तो फिर सेम 6 है।
नहीं बेटा, अब देखें बेटा, देखें तमाम पॉजिटिव एक टर्मिनल पर, तमाम नेगेटिव एक टर्मिनल, इट मीन ऑल आर शेयरिंग, ऑल आर शेयरिंग। दिस इज गिव्स 2 वोल्ट, this also gives 2 volt, this also gives 2 volt, the total is 6 volt. They are sharing, sharing, so they work in longer than the in series combination. तो क्वेश्चन आता है पेपर्स में, what is advantage of parallel combinations? What is advantage of parallel combination? तो बताइए क्या एडवांटेज होगा? ओनली सिंपल आंसर, लॉन्ग लास्टिंग, ज्यादा देर चलेंगे बेटा। लॉन्ग बिकॉज दे आर शेयरिंग वर्क, लॉन्ग लास्टिंग। क्यों? शेयरिंग ऑफ वर्क हो रहा है, मिलकर काम जब भी होता है ज्यादा देर तक चलता है, शेयरिंग ऑफ वर्क हो रहा है। हर सेल अपना फीडबैक दे रहा है, 2 वोल्ट ये, 2 वोल्ट ये, 2 वोल्ट ये, टोटल 6 वोल्ट। ठीक है जी। तो ये डिस्चार्ज होने में लॉन्ग टाइम लेंगे। ठीक है, सिंपल आर्टिकल है, सीरीज में टोटल ऐड करना है, और जो पैरेलल है तो उनका बस एक लिख दें। लेट्स से दिस वन, look this one, 1.5 volt, 1.5 volt, 1 point है, तो what is EMF? जी प्लीज, what is EMF? 1.5 volt, because they are in parallel, because they are in a parallel। बस एक का लिख लें, बात खत्म। ठीक है जी, इसमें 6 हैं, 6 लिख लें, 5 हैं तो 5 लिख लें, नो प्रॉब्लम एट ऑल। ठीक है, एनी प्रॉब्लम? ठीक है, सिंपल। एक बस क्वेश्चन करें तो आज का इतने काफी करते हैं। ये देखिए जरा प्लीज, तो 3 वोल्ट, 2 वोल्ट एंड जी 6 वोल्ट, 6 वोल्ट। व्हाट इज टोटल EMF दानी?
11 volts।
अच्छा जी, 3 + 2 + 6, चलो जी कवर हो गया जी आपका ये आर्टिकल। लेक्चर मुश्किल नहीं है, डोंट वरी अबाउट इट, मुश्किल नहीं है। ठीक है जी, चलें जी, काफी आज। हाँ इंशाल्लाह ताला नेक्स्ट इसको, अच्छा ये जरा आप ना मेरे से सारे चैप्टर्स वो करवाते हैं जो लेंथी होते हैं, अब इलेक्ट्रिसिटी भी लेंथी है, तो मैं इसको जब भी नेक्स्ट स्टार्ट किया करूंगा ना, तो मैं पिछला सारा रिवाइज करूंगा। क्या किया करूंगा? 2-3 दफा रिवाइज करेंगे तो आपने खुद ही कहना नहीं सर अब आगे चलें, काफी हो गया। ठीक हो गया ना?
ठीक है।
ओके, थैंक यू वेरी मच, थैंक यू। नेक्स्ट टाइम फिर 0 से स्टार्ट करेंगे, बेहतरीन आप हो जाएगी। थैंक यू वेरी मच, थैंक यू।
ठीक है, थैंक यू।
ओके।